একটা গার্ডেন জি আমাখান पे একটা শর্টস একটা বুঝিনা আমাখান ইনিকা থাকে হলে বি আমার কংগ্রেস লিডার খান তো আমাখান তো হলে তো চাইনা মানুষ আছে কই কিনা কই দিয়া তো ইটো হলে ইন্ডিয়া বাংবলে আছে আৰু ইটো কাৰণে চাইনা মানুহ খান আহি কিনা অৰুণাচল 32 প্লেচ দি তাইখান নিজে নাম দি দিছে জানিব লাগে আমাখান তো ইন্ডিয়া আছে India manase, Naga manase, the Garni Congress leader to statement they have to condemn Krase.
They will disintegrate the nation further, the country further, and also they will rule India not only with an iron fist and rule policy, which needs to be condemned one and all. Thank you for this time. We will wrap up with this. Thank you.
Welcome to Nagaland TV. Sob Manulagawas. Where is the Amihan GS Road? Nolibi. কিন্তু মুৰ্গী পাৰ্টি গৈ নে মান জানি আছে এতিয়া আহি আছে আৰু জাষ্ট নিয়াৰ ডো দুৰ্গা মন্দিৰ আজি নাগালেণ্ড ষ্টেট লগা ভাৰতীয় জনতা পাৰ্টিৰ পৰা একটা পিচফুল ৰেলী দৌৰিবলৈ আছে গৈছে ৰেলী লগা ওপৰ দিবি তাহাঁলা আমি খবৰ পোৱা নিচিনা আৰু তাহাঁলা কাৰ্যকৰ্তাৰ পৰা আমি জানিব পাৰাটো তাহাঁল লগা এইটো প্ৰটেষ্ট থকাটো আছে that Congress la derogatory comment ekta recently diala opor hi tahan jabule ase to eta exactly ami han kobo na pare tahan kinga ki kurubole ase manu han ete sabo para nishna gather kuri gina ase aro tahan play cards bi dhuri gina ase aro tahan party laga workers kan pra tahan symbol dhuri gina bi khara ase to idolo opor te janibu karne ami han age bare gina tahan ki ko ase to overall aji laga scenario nahole bi tahan protest laga mudda kuntu ase edu jani gina apni han ki bi bal pra brief korobole koshish korobo
racist remark. Maybe our neighbor countries, they are taking advantage and claiming certain section of India to be their own country. BJP, we are trying to unite and integrate India. Congress, they are trying to disintegrate India by this kind of racist remark. We are Indians and we will remain Indians and we will not allow anybody to disintegrate India. That is our stand. Thank you so much.
Parishna viewers, idia tahanla peaceful rally khotum hoise aro rally conduct kurabi GS Road Durga Mandir la bahade play card te nalbi tahan kuan ishna jundu BJP Bharatiya Janata Party Nagaland state la unit pra aji Dimapur de rally kurina jaise derogatory comment on Congress laga ekta senior leader pra nalbi ekjon pra koi dise that tai Rahul Gandhi la mentor be ase hoina to edu logine tahan laga play card nalbi tahan la kota time gan janu barise recently comment ahado jondo North Eastern people look like Chinese nalbi manu India laga alag alag part laga Arab white nalbi African dikhe goine thaka laga opore dhani to ke derogatory comment ase goine condemn kuri ase goine ami han ke aji jonaisha ro to publicly tahan rally korna ja ase idolo opore bal pra jani bole kinga ki ase tahan la karyakartas tahan la manu khan be de ase to idolo opore tahan ke udisa bote tahan asol de kiman problem jani ase aro kiman politically tahan involve ase nation ke kurine jado nation bill kurubole jada obode bi ami han hanibole koshish korobo ekjone de karyakarta khan ase tai ki bi kotha kurisabo aji laga rally juntu apni han ko ase congress laga leader ma pra derogatory comment mari dise notice la manu naliba overall india la manu la obode to idulo obode apni han ki kobole mane apni kiman jani ase idulo obode
see actually first of all people of Nagaland should not take this protest on political angle. This is not political angle. In fact, every people of Nagaland notice should come out and condemn such statement given by such a renowned person who is also aligned with the Congress, Indian National Congress. So people of Nagaland and every people notice should come and condemn such statement, asking a question on our nationality and ethnicity. It is totally condemnable. So see, our Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, he is trying to accommodate each and every India, keeping in mind and respecting the unity and diversity of India. And this Congress ideology, in fact, Sam Pedroda's statement reflects the ideology of the Congress. It's a very divisive thing. They've been playing.
Don't you think that many of the time at the heat of the moment, the BJP's party's senior leaders also has uttered many derogatory comments? Why didn't you protest against that, being in people of Northeastern?
Just give me one, fact, which who said or when did such BJP, BJP leader said against the notice derogatory?
Recently, we have seen in a various rallies.
I'll tell you, this is not a religion issue. This is not a political issue. This is, question on our nationality. So
if it is not political issue, then why BJP? Then why BJP is coming out to the road for doing a rally?
Political issue. So we're leading we are reminding the people that we should come out on the street and condemn such
Okay,
statement.
you mean that this is not in political
No, no,
rally?
see, if somebody, be it a politician or bureaucrat, anyone, if that guy come and calls you and tells you that you are not Indian, you are Pakistani, will you accept that? Will you?
I will not.
No.
I will not.
So that is the same thing happened here. So we should condemn such act. So that is it.
The rally that you have taken out into the street, it is not political, but just to show that how people of Northeastern are also affected by the words of that particular leader of Congress.
Same Petroda. See, we are spreading, and we are letting the people know that we are not Chinese. We are Indian at heart. No, we will be Indians. Even if I just want to ask Sam Petroda, since when did Congress sold the Northeast to Chinese? That is it. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. और इश्ना विर्स इधर लगा हमें हन कार्यकर्ता एक तो बड़ा एड्रेस कर दिशा रो इशू लाओपड़े को अनिश्ना सेंट पेट्रोटका लगा कुन ताला डेरोगेटरी कमेंट ताहन धुरे आसे इतो लाओपड़े ताहन स्टेट करे आसे ताहन गोआ तो इतो पॉलिटिकल रैली नो है बट नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न मानु नले भी इंडियन मानु हन के इनका कमेंट करा दो इतो ताहन एक्सेप्ट ना करे और कंडेम करे आसे गए ने which means this is not in political rally but somehow मानु हन प्राय तो के प्रोटेस्ट और कंडेम करे आसे गए but स्ट्रीट ते तो ताहन आसे इतो तो एक ता कंफर्म गोआ निश्ना विर्स अजी हमें हन रैली जुंदो आसे बीजेपी यूनिट प्रा गोरा लासे और नागालैंड यूनिट प्रा गोरा लगा आसे तो सेंट पेट्रोटका लगा कुन तो डेरोगेटरी कमेंट आसे इदु लगा ही हमें हन जानबले कोशिश करे दाइसे और ताहान लगा लिखिने थाकिसे पार्टी जुंतु ताहान एकटा सिनियर लीडर प्रा रेसिस कमेंट मारि दिसे तले भी नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न मानुला बोर्ड एनिबो ओवरऑल इंडिया ला मानुदे मारिसे इदु एक्सेप्ट ना गोरेया आरो ताहान इदु के कंडेम कुरासे को आसे
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.